Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can make this beautiful yet simple project, so let's get to it. For this project you will need a wreath. I chose this one, it's made from branches. Plastic leaves or plants. The fun part of this project is you can choose what you like, there's no right or wrong for me. A sign I chose for the word welcome. You will also need a hammer and of course the scissors. Wire staples, you will be needing 2 of them. And last but not least, you will need plastic flowers. Mine are made from foam. So let's get started with the wooden sign. Flip it over and hit the 2 wire staples on each end of the sign. So afterwards you can attach the sign to the wreath. Don't hit too hard, otherwise the sign will be damaged. With the iron wire I attach the sign to the wreath. Start by placing the flowers on the wreath. Just play around with the flowers. Then I added the plants. The same for this step, just play around with the setup. A tip guys, don't glue anything till you're completely satisfied with the setup, because in the end I replaced a few flowers and plants. Now the end result. I love it you guys. I hope you do too. Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more upcoming videos, and if you have any suggestions, let me know. And thanks for watching you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye!